Hi, Manny. I just want to drop you a quick line here. I'm just finishing up your estimate, and I think what I've created was an optimum for your usage and also for your budget. So, anyway, it's about as close as I can get. Now, um, we talked earlier, so you've got a fireplace, and I told you I wasn't going to be able to keep that. So, this is what we have. This is our first floor now. So you can see I took the fireplace out, reworked some of the openings, kept as large a piece of the family room as I could, and I put your staircase up in the corner. Okay, so what it is the layout here when you're looking from the kitchen, that's what you see. From the foyer, actually, you can see into the living room as you did before. So it flows pretty good. I had to put this box in your hallway because that's where the sewer is coming out because the bathroom is just above it. So let's go up to the second floor. Okay, so here's what you have on the second floor. We were able to get the 3 bedrooms and 1 bath in the smallest footprint, and then to look anatomically correct on the exterior. That would also be important. So here you go. You've got the bathroom, the 2 vanities, got hall linen, bath linen, and sufficient um, closet space for the bedrooms. Okay, so that's about as close as I can get right now. So now the entire building, we kept it with the flat. Even though this doesn't look like a flat roof, it's still designed as a flat roof, and it may not have the siding that you have, but it's just for estimating purposes. So I felt that for continuity's sake, we would keep it all pretty much the same, and that's what you have. Pretty much it. So if you got any questions, give me a call. But in the meantime, I'm going to finish this up and get it off to you so you can get it out to bid. Um, Once again, this is what we have, and I'll be sending it off along with all the drawings within the next maybe hour or two. That's about how much time it'll take me to wrap up. But talk to you later. Bye.